On this episode, banana nut muffins with Irish cream. Ingredients. Start with roasting a cup of mixed nuts. Since my bananas weren't overripe, I microwaved them for 45 seconds. Peel and mash the bananas. Add 3/4 cup light brown sugar. Half a cup of oil. One and a half cups of sifted self-raising flour. Half a sachet of coffee is optional. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. A teaspoon of ground cinnamon. A teaspoon of aromat seasoning or a pinch of salt. Half a cup of coconut milk. And half a cup of Irish cream. Take a cup of the roasted nuts. You can use a food processor or the side of a large knife to crush the nuts. Then coat the nuts in flour. Add the floured nuts to the batter. Before placing the cases on top, fill the bottom of each cupcake tin with rice. Bake the muffins in a preheated oven set to 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. And that's it. These mini muffins are so soft and absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. Love you all, and God bless.